Elon Musk is not just a man, he's a force of nature, a beacon of innovation and ambition for the future. SpaceX, Musk's brainchild, is much more than rocket launches and stunning test flights. It's a vessel for mankind's interstellar aspirations. A key vision for 2024 is the Starship Mars mission, a testament to his relentless pursuit in making life multiplanetary. Interplanetary travel is no longer fiction. In 2024, SpaceX signals a new era in space exploration. With Starlink, Musk intends to blanket the Earth in high-speed, affordable internet. Musk's belief that humans must become a spacefaring civilization also drives the development of moon bases and Mars colonies by 2024. The 2024 vision is grand, yet Musk remains steadfast. Despite failures and setbacks, the SpaceX mantra is clear: persistence until success. Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX in 2024 is not just science, it's a mission to ensure humanity's survival, progress, and prosperity.